Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's near and dear to many of us crypto enthusiasts, Kraken security. Specifically, we're going to dive into the question, can Kraken accounts be hacked? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to address the elephant in the room. Yes, Kraken is a popular cryptocurrency exchange, and like any other online platform, it's vulnerable to cyber attacks. However, it's important to remember that the risk of being hacked doesn't mean it's inevitable. With the right precautions and security measures in place, you can significantly reduce your chances of becoming a victim. So, let's explore some of the common ways Kraken accounts can be compromised and what steps you can take to protect yourself. Common vulnerabilities. Phishing attacks. These are one of the most common ways hackers try to gain access to your account information. They'll send you emails or messages that appear to be from Kraken, asking you to click on links or provide your personal details. These emails often look legitimate, so it's important to be vigilant and only click on links from trusted sources. Weak passwords. Using weak passwords is like leaving your front door unlocked. Hackers can easily crack them using automated tools, so make sure you create strong, unique passwords that are difficult to guess. Compromised devices. If your computer or mobile device is infected with malware, it can be used to steal your sensitive information, including your Kraken login credentials. Keep your software up to date and install antivirus and anti-malware software to protect yourself. Social engineering attacks. Social engineering attacks involve manipulating people into revealing their personal information. Hackers may pose as customer support representatives or other trusted individuals to gain your trust and trick you into giving up your login credentials. Protecting yourself from hacks. Enable two-factor authentication. This is one of the best ways to add an extra layer of security to your Kraken account. Two-factor authentication requires you to provide a second form of identification, such as a code sent to your phone or a physical security key, in addition to your username and password. Use a strong password manager. A password manager can help you create and manage strong, unique passwords for all of your online accounts. It can also store your passwords securely so you don't have to remember them all. Be wary of phishing emails. Always be on the lookout for suspicious emails that claim to be from Kraken. If you receive an email that you're not sure about, don't click on any links or attachments. Instead, go directly to the Kraken website and log into your account to verify the information. Keep your software updated. Make sure your operating system, web browser, and antivirus software are all up to date. This will help to patch any security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by hackers. Monitor your account activity. Regularly review your Kraken account activity for any suspicious transactions or login attempts. If you notice anything suspicious, contact Kraken support immediately. Kraken security measures. Kraken takes security very seriously and has implemented a number of measures to protect its users' accounts. These measures include cold storage. The majority of Kraken's users' funds are stored offline in cold storage, which makes them inaccessible to hackers. Regular security audits. Kraken conducts regular security audits to identify and address any potential vulnerabilities. Bug bounty program. Kraken offers a bug bounty program that rewards security researchers for finding and reporting vulnerabilities in its systems. Insurance. Kraken has insurance policies in place to protect its users' funds in the event of a security breach. Conclusion. While Kraken is a secure platform, it's important to take your own precautions to protect your account. By following the tips outlined in this video, you can significantly reduce your risk of being hacked and keep your crypto assets safe. Remember, the best defense against hackers is to be proactive and stay informed about the latest security threats. By taking the time to learn about security best practices, you can help to protect yourself from becoming a victim of cybercrime. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and happy trading.